Hi, welcome to Shibaura Machine's e-learning 108 tips for successful injection molding. This is C. Somaskandan, Head Application Engineering, Shibaura Machines India Private Limited. Let's learn how to avoid bubble in injection molded plastic parts. What is bubble? Bubble is a small hollow packet, maybe filled with air or gas in a molded part. It comes anywhere on a part, maybe on a surface or on a thinner section or at the edges of the molded part. Factors causing bubble in a molded part can be by a machine or by a mold or by the process setting or by the polymer. Let's learn how to differentiate and how to avoid these bubbles. In a significant way, the mold contributes for the formation of bubble in a molded part. Let's learn the parameter which makes bubble in a molded part. When a mold is too cold and when a hot polymer is injected into the mold, the bubble forms easily. Similarly, when a mold is too hot, when the polymer cures, the bubble gets formed. Molds have air vents. During injection, they play a crucial role. The air inside the mold has to be evacuated simultaneously when the polymer is filled in the mold. In case if the air vents are blocked, the bubble gets formed. Maintaining right mold temperature and right tonnage makes the air vent also free during injection, which avoids bubble formation in the molded part.